Greetings. Today we are pleased to announce the Dataverse SDK for Python, a comprehensive toolkit developed to enable data scientists and developers to leverage advanced analytics, automation, and innovation within Microsoft Dataverse. The SDK is open source and is available on PyPy, Power Platform Dataverse Client. Here's the list of key features. And here are the list of prerequisites to get started. Let's install the SDK in your Python environment. You can see that the SDK has been installed under the Power Platform Dataverse folders. Let's look at our first scenario. As a Python developer and application creator, you want to build an employee onboarding system for Fabricam enterprises by creating tables for employees' details, department reference, and onboarding request status. Now, we're going to use the agent to help us write the code. And the agent is able to go and detect our SDK and use it to create our tables. My department reference, employee details, and onboarding request tables were created using the SDK. We can verify the created tables on the Maker portal. Next, we're going to create some sample records for our tables. These were created using the Create Record SDK. The department table is missing a phone column. Let's go ahead and add it. Let's verify that the phone number was created correctly. Phone number created. I want to update a phone number in one of my records. Let's recap how our Python developer turned an idea into a working Dataverse application end-to-end in Python. They used the Dataverse SDK to define 3 tables, add column, and then use the SDK's create, read, update APIs to seed sample data and modify records, all securely inside Dataverse. Now, let's explore the data scientist scenario. As a data scientist, you can use Python tools like Jupyter Notebooks and VS Code to access and manage Dataverse data. Your workflow might involve extracting business data from Dataverse, transforming it into pandas data frames, and applying advanced analytics or machine learning models for assessment and decision support. Typical use cases include risk assessment, SLA monitoring, compliance reporting, all relying on accurate Dataverse data and robust Python analytics. Here I'm doing an analysis of my top 10 high priority cases, and I'm using the Get Record SDK to retrieve Dataverse case records. You can see that I'm able to view a concise summary of each case along with the recommended action items generated through Python analytics. This enables quick assessment and supports data-driven decisions, ensuring that the most urgent cases receive timely and appropriate attention within the enterprise workflow. For deeper analysis of all my high priority cases, I'm leveraging pandas to further assess and visualize the data. By transforming the retrieved Dataverse records into data frames, I can perform advanced filtering, aggregation, and statistical analysis, which enables comprehensive insights into case trends, bottlenecks, and resolution patterns. Next, I'm going to use Jupyter to analyze my high priority cases in greater detail. I will create a workbook that aggregates the key findings and visualizations, making it easy to distribute to my users. This allows team members to independently review their assigned cases, track progress, and collaborate more effectively based on actionable insights derived from the data. Here are samples of the outputs that were created from the notebook. Now that you've seen the Dataverse SDK for Python in action, let's take a further step and explore how these capabilities unlock the new possibilities with generative AI. With Dataverse as your secure enterprise-grade data platform, You can operationalize AI at scale, storing outputs and automating workflows and driving real-time insights across your business. The SDK makes it easy to connect Python-based AI model, extract and transform data, and write results back to Dataverse for dashboard compliance and collaboration. Thank you for exploring the Dataverse SDK for Python. This toolkit empowers the data scientists and developers to unlock advanced analytics, automation, and innovation by unleashing the full power of Dataverse business data directly into your Python workflow. Whether you're building scalable applications, orchestrating agentic flows, or modernizing analytics, the SDK is designed to accelerate your journey. Ready to get started? Visit the official PyPy page to install the SDK and check out the GitHub repository for documentation, sample projects, and community contributions. Thank you.